It finally came in. So, yeah. Let's open it. Another person is here with me to unbox.
You get it?
I don't know. Shh. Answer is no.
Alright, let me help.
Yeah, open it.
I forgot I can't give you recipes. I'll give her a shout. What's your little... I'm going to get it. Which one?
I'll say give her a heart for this one.
Ah!
Do you poke yourself?
Okay, give her a shell.
Let's see.
I'll give it.
Never cut back toward yourself. Okay.
She's planning something.
I think she should stay in with her.
Okay. Brand new. Just came out. Read the back. Command a rousing performance. Energy surges as new powers awaken and perilous legends are revealed. First partners Meowscarada EX, Skeledirge EX, and Quackavolt EX have evolved to take the stage with mesmerizing magic, song, and dance. Meanwhile, Fortress, Slowking, and Dedenne shine as Terra Pokemon EX and Qianpao EX, Tinglu EX, and others bring daunting strengths requiring courage to command. Even Pikachu joins the Pokemon EX party in the Pokemon TCG Scarlet and Violet Paldea Evolved expansion. Yeah, I like that.
Huh.
I like this card. I pull it. Is it a secret rare? No, but it is a promo. Okay. I was thinking about getting the booster box instead, but I don't know. I just didn't want to. Player's guide. We can see all the cards in
Dude,
the
there's stuff
set.
on the inside. That's cool.
Slowking EX. Have all other rule sets. That's the one I want. Okay. Oh. Ooh, I see the damage counters. Or special condition counters.
This is a little divider in there.
They're beautiful. I like how they look. Okay. Energy. Which actually looks different, I guess. I mean, it. And you have these. I've been needing sleeves. Thank goodness.
Oh, yeah.
Sleeves! And I also need these dividers. Code card.
That way. I was trying to see what was wrong with them. He won't stop licking his
And,
feet.
oh, that's sad.
No, he's like, "Ooh, don't
What?
touch me." And she looks
I like
like
it.
he's touching him.
Uh,
I like it too. I thought she really was licking his feet for him.
it's Vint.
So it came with that card?
Why are you licking your foot?
really bent.
Why are you licking your butt?
Or well, it was earlier.
Get out of
Now
my
it's not
chair, you
as bent.
turds.
Ah, it's alright.
We'll have to put
Corners
this
aren't messed up or nothing.
in a new sleeve.
Yeah.
I like this silver back. Wonderful. Okay, so let's look at these dice. Ooh, I'm loving these dice. These are some nice dice.
Man, this is like a whole thing, isn't it?
And booster packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8.
Only 9 booster packs.
Supposed to be 10.
Did we get shortchanged?
1,
Let me
2,
check.
3,
9 booster
6,
packs.
7, 8, 9. Okay, well, you're opening 4. Heh.
Says on the box 9. I don't have to do 4.
Yeah, you're doing 4. I'm opening 5.
Alright.
Okay.
I think this is gonna be a good one.
Don't open it yet.
Don't open it yet?
Yeah, you're gonna open it over here on the camera.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna snip the top off or
No, it's fine, fine. Okay. We're having a bit of trouble here. Code card. Okay. Jigglypuff. Girafarig. Great Ball. Relor. Bramblegast. Superior Energy Revival. Tinkatink. And Skeledirge EX. Did I do the trick wrong? I did the trick wrong. Okay. Basic Energy, Sudowoodo, and Satoddle. Sleeve! Well, I'm gonna have to figure out what the trick is.
Huh.
I guess they changed it. One, two, three. I don't know. I guess that's the trick. I don't know. Yeah, it's not the trick.
Whooper.
Well, whatever. So, well, the trick would be... the hollow rare. Okay, I don't know what the trick is. Paldean Wooper. Slack Off. Pikachu. Qfin. Kilowattrel. Artisan. Tinkatuff. Rabska. Basic Energy. Paldean Tauros. And Sugawaro. Hollow. Where was the hollow? I put the hollow in the same stack as the other cards. Oh, here it is. Hollow. Putting it with this. This is a mess. Hold up. Let's fix this real quick. Okay, I'm gonna open a pack regularly to see how the trick goes. I only have 3 packs left, but I don't
You
care.
can do some more.
Because, whatever. Okay, Citadel, Shroodle, Phalanx, Tadpole, Primeape with the shrine in the background, Grusha, Miss Magius, Charcadet, Tandemouse, and Secret Rare, Reverse Holo Grusha. I don't know what the money card is in this deck, but I don't know. Secret Rare, Full Art Grusha. Yeah, I have no idea. Put it with these cards. Okay, so if there were 2 reverse holos and 1 holo rare, so I do not know. Okay, this is first.
It's already lined up pretty good.
So you do take this and put these 2. Oh, I know what I did wrong. Okay, Bramblin, Shinx, Nimble, Massive, Knackle Stack, Calamitous Snowy Mountain, Corvisquire, Basic Energy, Glimmet, Miss Magius, Reverse Holo Secret Rare, and Veluza.
Huh.
Put this in the sleeve. Yeah, I'm really confused what the pack trick is. Okay, is this the energy? Okay, that's what the pack trick is. Okay, that makes more sense. Okay, Fuecoco, Bramblin, Cufant, Krogunk, Gotharita, Honchkrow, Calamitous Wasteland, Gothita Reverse Holo, and Dingedra Secret Rare. Oh, wait. No, this isn't the last card. I'm so confused. Maybe there's like a secret rare in every pack. I don't know. It's confusing. Okay. Dingedra Secret Rare. Full art. And then Orthworm Holo Rare. Why did I put that in a sleeve? I don't know why I just put that in a sleeve. Doesn't deserve to be in a sleeve.
You got a ton of sleeves.
Okay. You want to
You wanna do one
open
more?
all 4 or you want to open 3?
I'll do 3. You do 1.
Okay. We're going for a Chien Pao. That's all I want is a Chien Pao EX. That's my hopes and dreams. Code card. energy, dark energy this time. And I'm gonna try that. I do not know what'll happen. Hold on. Okay, yeah. I did it wrong. Okay, I needed to just leave it. Okay, it's better now. Glimmet, Frigabax, Tandem Mouse, Sprigatito, I always call it Sprigiato. I guess it's Sprigatito. I don't know. Skiploom, Dendra, Palisand, Reverse Hollow Choice Belt. Wait, why am I just sending them to back? Palmy, and hey, we got a legendary Tinglu EX.
Cool.
Okay, I think. Oh, this is also a secret rare. Okay, I need to pay attention to my secret rares. I don't know what's a secret rare and what's not. Okay, did I get a holo too? I didn't think so. Just the reverse Palmy. I have them all in a messed up stack here. I guess we could call this a box battle. Want to call it a box battle? Well, actually, it can't be a box battle because then it would have been fair because I opened like 6 and he's opening 3, so. It is your turn. Actually, no, hold on. Bring it back.
You want more, huh?
No, I'm saying bring it back. I'm going to show the secret rares and stuff. Okay, if he can get better than this in just 3 packs, which I don't know if he can, but that was pretty good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got basically 3 rares and lots of ultra rares and lots of secret rares. Secret rares, I got 1 ultra rare and all these secret rares. So now you can open your packs. Do you want me to do the pack trick for you?
The pack trick. If you want to.
I mean, you can do it. You want to do the pack trick?
Sure. Oh my goodness. There we go. Alright, so you lay that one down.
Yeah, and then you take this one off.
The bottom one?
No, the
Top one?
I think that's it.
And then what?
That's it. Just now you can pull them.
Another Tink-a-Tink. Strudel. Limit. Bramblin. Kilowatt earlier, I got one of those. Whatever that one is.
And a Zoomeril.
Pilipper.
It's a reversal.
Tauros and another Balooza. Well, that wasn't a very good one, huh?
Hey, keep this one. Keep the hollow rares. The other
This
stuff
guy?
is fine. No, those are reverse hollows. Keep the hollow rares, and the other ones are okay.
Energy.
Yeah.
Magnemite. I like that one. That one looks like.
Don't be showing everything.
And little Pikachu, a Raichu. Is that a good one?
It's not a hollow, I'm thinking.
Arctic Bex. Great Ball. That's a different Kilowatt Trail. Ooh.
Chi-Yu.
That's the one you beat the game with, huh?
I guess so.
It's a goldfish.
Put it in the sleeve.
What about this one?
Put
it right here?
No, you can put it in other stacks. The reverse hollows, you can put in other stacks. Oh.
Cool.
We'll put it in this stack.
Alright, last one. Sure you don't want?
No. I hope you pull a Chi-Yu. Or a Chi Pal. Shink.
Nimble. Mischief. Slack off. What is that?
Ice Cube. Ew, massive. Okay, no Chi and Pal. That's okay. That was fun. Is that a hollow?
Yeah. Yep.
That's a hollow. Okay.
Alright.
And we got this cool Pikachu, even though it's like bent, but that's okay. Oh, put it over here. I didn't mean to put this in the sleeve. I don't know why I put it in the sleeve. Where are the other hollows you had? Did you put them in there?
There's one. There's one. There's one. I think that's it. You said not to count that one, right?
No, not these reverse hollows. These ones are fine too.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's it.
I think I might have. I don't
What
know.
all's in this pack? Just energy?
Oh yeah, these are the energy packs. I was gonna open that, but you can open it if you want to.
No, you do it. 45 energy cards. One.
Okay, let's see if they have fairy energy in here, because I've heard they've been getting rid of fairy energy. I don't know why, I've just heard they've been getting rid of it. Yeah, no fairy energy. That's weird.
This is like a poster under here.
Really?
It looks like it.
Open it up or something. Or can you? You can cut it. Here.
I think you cut right down that edge of this.
This like flap.
Oh, I could just be like this. Oh yeah. It's a poster.
Awesome.
That's cool, huh?
Cool poster. All the
Box sleeve makes into a poster. That's cool.
Okay, now I have to clean all this stuff up.